So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanskriti. At first, I am just shocked. I am just shocked by the amount of love and support that you guys have showered on my channel. Especially my sisters, my female sisters, female friends. Those of you who have written extraordinary comments. I have never thought of that. To be honest, I have never thought of that. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who have showered me with love, positivity and happiness. Thank you so much. It means a lot. It means a lot to me. I am so much overwhelmed. So please keep supporting me like this. I really want each one of you to be a part of my transformation journey. How I will transform myself from a fat to a fit individual. So please, if you think that my knowledges are useful to you, please consider subscribing my channel. Love you all. So getting back to today's topic, that is the strategies. Few of you have asked me that what were the strategies that I adopted in order to lose such a huge amount of weight in a span of 60 days. Okay, so getting back to the strategies. So the first strategy that I incorporated in order to lose such a huge amount of weight, that was setting realistic goals, which means that at first I didn't thought of losing a huge amount of weight within a short span of time. I didn't kept a very unrealistic goal. I kept very realistic goal, which means that I thought that within the first week of my weight loss transformation journey, I would lose approximately 2 to 3 kgs, which is a very realistic goal. Because at first, all of you might know that water weight, have you heard of it? I don't know, but I am explaining. Water weight is something which is the weight of the stored water in your body, which are like very fast, easier to lose. Okay, so I thought that I would lose the water weight very like fast. So I thought that I kept a very realistic goal of 2 to 3 kgs within a span of 7 days. But fortunately, I lost around 4 kgs. My weight reduced from 86 kgs to 82 kgs within a span of 7 days. So for me it has happened. It might not occur for you, but don't lose hope. Just keep realistic goals. Okay. So that was my major point of losing a huge amount of weight. That is, I kept realistic goals. So the second point is workout. What workout did I did in order to just accelerate my weight loss? So basically for me, for myself, I have always been a fan of cardio. I have always kept cardio over weight training or any other yoga or other form of gymnastic and all. Yoga is a very good thing. It helps in means building flexibility and all. It helps in proper blood circulation also. But for me, I think that for me, cardio is a very important thing. And because I think that when my body will be habituated with those running, jumping, walking, then I will lose weight faster. Like I thought that maybe as I have also heard from my father is also into all this fitness and all. He have been a runner for not professional one, but he have always been a runner. Means from my childhood only I have seen my father waking up at 5 or 4 a.m. and then going up for a running, bricks walking and all. So he had told me always that beta tum just you focus on your running, or you just focus on your. For me, I have never been a runner, and now also it is not possible for me to run on the streets because I get breathlessness problem. But for me, cardio have always been helpful. I did things like simple jogging, jumping, skipping. Then I have also focused on jumping jacks and I have also focused on random jumping and some sort of dancing also. I have also done some sort of dancing also. Means random, I have put on some Bollywood, those, Bollywood musics are there, right? Those that are so funny, but that I have relied on that. Like some Bollywood DJ music and all, Bhojpuri music, I have danced on all of them in order to lose weight faster. So I have just closed my door and I have danced on my room. No one has came to judge me. And if someone comes to judge you also, but it is their problem, right? Not your problem. I know that all of you are very brave and very dedicated to your journey. So summing up all those, I focused mainly on cardio workout over weight training. I have never went to gym also, but in future I can go to gym, but as of now I have not went to gym. So I have lost 14 kgs of weight without going to gym, right? I have focused on jumping, and I have focused on jogging, and I have focused on burpees. I have focused on bricks walking. Climbing stairs was also a very important point that I kept in mind whenever I went to offices or like college or any other places where I have to climb long stairs. There I have not taken the help of lift, and I have just focused on my climbing stairs. So that have also helped me. So for the workout part, that was the case. Now I want to make you all understand the importance of timing. Timing definitely plays a very important role in your weight loss journey. Timing means you have to be very punctual about everything that you do generally. For example, you should be particular about the time you wake up and sleep, means your sleeping schedule. You should be very particular about the timing of your meals. Okay, meals timing is very important. For example, one day you are waking up at 7 a.m. and you are having your brunch, or say you are having your breakfast by 10 or 11 a.m. And if you are thinking that you will do it and postpone it the next day 2 to 3 hours later, then it will definitely impact your health, and it will definitely impact your weight loss journey as well, because timing always plays a very important role, right? So be particular about the timing of your sleeping time, sleeping schedule, and your meal timing. Everything in general you have to be very punctual about, because it is the game of timing only. For myself, I have personally followed intermittent fasting. So that intermittent fasting is totally revolving around timing, time theory and all. So you have to be very particular about your timing. Starting from your sleep cycle to your dieting cycle to your everything in general. You have to be very particular about everything, right? Timing is very important for your weight loss. Then comes sleep schedule. You have to be very particular about the timing of your sleep as well as the hours that you are sleeping. I won't say that for myself also, I am also a BA graduate student, right? So for myself also, I won't say like other YouTubers or other fellow people that sleep early to bed, early to rise. Definitely, that is a universal truth, right? Early to bed and early to rise is a universal truth. But in our today's lifestyle, today's competitive market, and today's busy schedule, it's not always possible for us to sleep early. So because of that fact, you can schedule your time according to your routine. Okay, you have to make it sure that you are sleeping 8 to 9 hours. I also sometimes I do late night studies, and I do other activities as well. Sometimes movie भी हो जाता है, sometimes थोड़ा फ्रेंड लोगों के साथ भी हो जाता है, बातें करते करते टाइम निकल जाता है, वो चीज़ कॉमन है, नॉर्मल है, राइट? बट आई मेक इट श्योर दैट आई स्लीप बाय, it doesn't matter whenever I sleep. It can be like 10 p.m. also, it can be like 2 a.m. also, 3 a.m. also, but I make it sure that I take proper sleep of 8 to 9 hours. That is very important, without any distraction, without any disturbances. It is very important for your weight loss, because during weight loss you follow a calorie deficit diet, right? So during that time, if you think that you will not sleep properly, you will not take proper sleep, how can you expect that your body will respond quickly? It is not possible, because body is also a machine, right? So the machine also needs some sort of rest in order to repair itself, in order to build new muscles, in order to lose fat, unnecessary fat. So make sure that you are sleeping on time, and you are just focusing on your proper sleep schedule. And if you are able to sleep early, then there is nothing like that, because that's the universal truth, right? So the strategies, I am summing all those things up and saying it to you. The strategies that I undertook in order to lose this much amount of weight, right? So these include, at first you need to set realistic goals. Okay, set small goals and work on it. You will definitely be able to achieve your goal, means bigger goal. Okay, so that is set realistic goal. That is number one, right? So number two is focus on your workout. Every day you have to do something. Every day, I'm not saying you that just go for cardio, just go for yoga. No, you have to create it in a fun order. Okay, funny way, in a more playful way, so that you get the energy to do for means do all those calorie burning activity, right? So for me, it's always not, it feels very boring to just do all those jumping and everything every day. So I just, one day I can dance, one day I can just like do those means cardio activity. Some days I can also go for a walk. Some days also I can just indulge myself into some yoga or mini weight training activity with bottles, water bottles and all. So make sure that you are doing some sort of workout, okay, so that the amount of fat is also burning, okay, because you are intaking food, right? So when you are intaking food, you should also focus on how you are losing those, means how you are just not only intaking calories but also losing those calories, right? So that is also very important. And then third point is, be punctual about everything that you do. Focus on the timing, because all these disciplinary activities, all these are revolving around one thing only, that is timing, right? So focus on your timing, be punctual about everything that you do. And fourth point is, focus on your sleep schedule. Take proper sleep. You should definitely take proper sleep. So just follow all this and you will be able to achieve the most aesthetic physique. So summing up today's video, concluding it, I would like to say all of you that all of you are extremely beautiful souls, and all of you will be able to achieve the best and the best physique for yourself. Just keep believing in yourself. Don't listen to this, what I have said to you previously. Don't listen to this shitty society, because society acts on a very superficial level. So keep these things in mind and you will be able to achieve the best physique for yourself. And your mental health will also go at limits that you can't even imagine. I am laughing not because of the fact that I am saying very funny things, but these are the dopamine release that I am getting. These are the dopamine outburst. And I am not editing this video so much. Okay, I am just doing a heart-to-heart conversation with you guys. So, on my next video, I will be talking about what is body dysmorphia. Body dysmorphia is a very important part of losing a huge amount of weight all of a sudden. Body dysmorphia, and I would be also talking about how to lose further weight, means how to reduce the weight further and how to maintain the weight, right? And also about intermittent fasting that I have followed for myself. So please keep an eye on my channel and keep supporting, and I will definitely bring the most useful content for you guys. For all my lovely young ladies and also my brothers as well, those who are viewing this channel, a very big hug from my side. So for today, I am concluding it here. I will meet again you guys on my next video. So for that, means up to that, Remain healthy, keep smiling, be beautiful from inside and outside, and spread positivity. And a very, very happy new year to all of you. Whoever is viewing my channel, a very, very happy new year to all of you. May this new year bring you with all the joy, happiness, and prosperity. Bye bye.